how to deflate your Travelwedge Pro. When you're ready to deflate your Travelwedge Pro, all you do is open this valve. You're just going to twist it so air can flow in or out as you wish. And the easiest way to deflate this is actually just to push all the air out. I like to bend it in half. You're not going to hurt it, don't worry. And you can hear all the air is coming out. Now once you've gotten as much air out as you want, just twist that valve closed, and as you can see, it really packs down pretty small. You can get more air out of this if you squeeze a little more, but it's 3.9 pounds, and you can see how lightweight, how compact it gets once you're ready to travel. And you can put this in your suitcase, you can squish it, you're not going to hurt it. You can kind of compress it down so that you can travel with your wedge and have a great night's sleep.